Um, I'm glad to see all interests of our Qchain ecosystem and glad to talk to you about where we're going this moment, because we have some new trends in blockchain ecosystems especially, and in blockchain in general. Um, we see some new trends. We must be on the edge of these trends, and we are now developing next steps. We are talking before about, but now I show you technical demonstration of our developers network in Ethereum of Ethereum compatible network working directly via web browser and external wallets such as MetaMask. You can see it today. One moment more. This is only first webinar about our ecosystem upgrade. We have one or more webinars next week where we are talking about products and about marketing. But now we are starting technical review. We are starting about our technical aspect. And now I like to show you how it works. First, we'll start sharing. And of course, we'll start from web browser. For example, we are using Google Chrome. It's most usable web browser. And now we take a few steps. First step, we are install cryptocurrency wallet. Then we are connected to our Qchain developers, Qchain.developers network. Then performing some transactions and so on. And now we are starting. If some people have experience or working in cryptocurrencies by MetaMask, its first part may be a little bit boring, but I like to show all steps for all people who maybe first time in his life using this technology. First, we must download some wallet. Most popular is MetaMask. Sorry. Yeah, download and install MetaMask into our Chrome browser. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It takes few seconds, less than 1 minute. Now it's downloaded, checking, and installing. It's ready. We are ready to start. Now we have some tool for communicate our web browser, our any website with cryptocurrency world, and we must to configure it for start our work. Of course, first we are signing agreement. One more time signing agreement and create password. I every time using capital letters, non-capital letters, some symbols, and some digits. It's more secureable, but it's not a big problem if you forgot password for MetaMask. Only in one case, if you store a seed phrase. We are continuing to this moment right now. For securing the wallet, you must store secret phrase. Because now we are working on developers network. I can show it for you, but when are you doing this by self, can show it from anyone. And a better way is store it word by word on the paper by the pen. But now it's developers network. We just copy to clipboard and store in Notepad. On next step, our wallet can check we are really store our password phrase or not. We must enter 3, 4, and 8 words. Sorry. Here. 4. Win. It's good. and 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 appear. Okay. Confirm. Wallet creation successful. Next, done. I can read the rest endorsements from MetaMask. We now have an account where by the default we are connected to main mainnet of Ethereum network. But now we like to work with our own network, and we must configure our MetaMask, our wallet, to working with our Qchain developers network. For this, we are using option add the network manually. Network name, our network name is Qchain .dev.net, and we must use special URL. You see now. In future, you can download recording of this webinar and try to do it by yourself if you want. Chain ID. One moment. We have one little mistake. Our currency is UDT, same as Ethereum network working in ETH. Now our network working in UDT. And we have Explorer for our network. We must enter URL for using it. Explorer Qchain.space. And now our wallet ready to change network, and we are going to switch to Qchain.developers network. And we are seeing now we have 0 UDT on our wallet. And how we can obtain it? Yeah, we must claim it because it's developers network, and we have this ability. We are going to special address, and we have a first application that we see. It's first Web3 application connecting our Qchain developers network and first application in the web. First, we must connect our wallet previously configured for working on our Qchain network. Connect with MetaMask from this application. Connect, well, yeah, sure, yeah, of course. It's now connected. We see an address same as in our extension. We must pin it here for using any time. We have got everything that is total cost. This is same address, 0FC 617D. Yep. And we are trying to claim QDT. You can try it using on mainnet, but now our claim application says everything okay, and we are checking, especially in our wallet. Now we have 1000 UDTs. We have a working wallet external about our network. We have working network. We have working application with smart contract, Ethereum smart contract inside. It's compatible with EVM. And what we can do now, I think we must set up one more wallet in different browser to try how it works between our users. First, we are moving this browser to the part of our screen. And in different browsers, you can use MetaMask same way. First, we are social fleet. Then we going to download MetaMask for Firefox installing. Okay, add. Okay, and this application takes some time for initialization. We are waiting. Sometimes it's starting from second moment. Trying one more time. Yes, everything good. We agree. We are creating new wallet. We agree. We put some password. We're going absolutely same way, but for different user. I understand, but we have some difference in our password. Now everything okay. You can save it or not. As I said previously, if you lose your password, it's not a problem, but it's a big problem if you lose this phrase. We are copying it. Not a bad. Next, we are check one more MetaMask check that we really do it. Confirm. Everything good. We can start. Now we have one more wallet with this interest address. We are good. To save screen. Now we have two users, Alice and Bob, and Alice like to send QDT to Bob. What are we doing? First, we are configuring network same way, because we are must working in same network. We are adding Qchain.net. I'm entering the same that we are entered previously. Save. We are switching to same network. From this moment, we are seeing that in both MetaMask, we are using Qchain.devnet. And we are like to transfer some QDTs from this user to another. We like to copy address of destination. Now we are sending to this destination. We enter how much? Maybe 100. Why not? Next. Confirm. And now we are put transaction to network and waiting for result. We are waiting for a few seconds. It's developer's network, but it's still working very fast. Confirm it's sending. We are returning to another user. Refresh screen. I say refresh screen. And what do we see? Yes, we have 100 QDTs on the wallet of another user. Next step that we seen that on our blockchain working transactions, it's working very fast, and only one QDT fee we have in this network. What we can see more for today. In this demonstration application, we have one option, one interest option. It's swapping. It's index or elect. But on the store, okay, but why not? We may convert QDTs to any another currency in our network. Next step, we can build a bridge between this network and Ethereum and Tron networks. From that moment, we have a cross-network conversion, but of course, it may work, must work on the mainnet when it starts. Now we are using developers network. Next week, we are starting testers network. and you are welcome to be our testers. But now we are trying to use this application for intercommunication with our wallet. One moment. Yeah. Application connect with our wallet and ask us to confirmation. We can confirm and waiting for result. Oh, swap successful. Go into wallet. And you see that 100 QDTs go into swap and only one QDT is fee. And one more thing that we must see today, it's how working our blockchain explorer. We open some transaction. And what are we seeing? We are seeing all technical details of this transaction. It's same format that used in Ethereum network, same size of hash, total compatibility. You can move any smart contract for this network and using it with only one QDT fee. This is full stack for building Web3 applications. You may start today in developers mode, and shortly we start in test node, and this autumn we start mainnet, and we have we have two ways for working with securities. You can still work in basic networks that we have today, and you can work in this network we are building now for using all functionality of intercommunication with Web3 applications and so on, and working with another different wallets, same as MetaMask or Trust or another that you like. That's all for today. Next time, I like to provide you more information about marketing program and about products starting on our new blockchain. Which way we are going on this market, because we must work on that market. All people same. Yeah. If you have some questions, you can ask me in webinar chat. I can see any questions. Okay. Next week, see you. Next week, waiting for you for talking about marketing and talking about products. Thank you very much.